friends, Julie and Mousie here with Deschutes Public Library Storytime. Let's sing about it. It's time for story time. We'll read and romp and rhyme. Time for books, time for songs, time to play along. Let's clap for story time. We'll read and romp and rhyme. Time to hear, time to see. Fun for you and me. Friends, today we're reading At This Very Moment by Matthew Hodson, and it's read with permission of the publisher, Cicada Books. Let's open shut them. Let's open shut them, open shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open shut them, open shut them. Lay them in your lap, lap, lap. At this very moment, there's a mouse. There's a small mouse waking up in the early morning sun. And at this very moment, there's a whale. There's a huge whale singing whale song deep beneath the sea. As you sit and read this book somewhere, there's a plum so ripe a worm will come and eat it for its tea. And as you sit and read this book, somewhere there's a swarm of bees rubbing pollen on their knees. There's a swarm of bees. At this very moment, there's a mountain. There's a mountain in the mountains, and there's no one at the top. And at this very moment, there's a fish swimming in a shoal with 1,000 other fish. At this very moment, there's a bird up in the sky. Imagine flying so high up. What a lucky bird. And at this very moment, there are potatoes underground. There are potatoes underground growing in the dirt. As you sit and read this book, there's a crocodile. There's a hungry crocodile. Snap, snap, snap. And as you sit and read this book, there's a monkey in a tree. She's eating a banana and looking at the view. At this very moment, there's a river. There's a river that is flowing always out to sea. And at this very moment, there's a turtle floating silently across the coral reef. As you sit and read this book, there is singing in the jungle, chirps and honks and knocks and hoots as the light fades low. And as you sit and read this book, somewhere there's a baby. There are babies everywhere, drifting off to sleep. For our make and take craft this week, we've got mindful mosaics. Try looking at it with your full attention. See if you can quiet your mind and just enjoy the colors with a few deep breaths. Good job, friends. I especially like to try that when I'm having big feelings or if something is worrying me. It's kind of like a reset for my brain. If you miss the craft or aren't near your mindful mosaic, it also works with any lovely sight, sound, smell, taste, or touch if you focus your whole attention on it. Let's sing our goodbye song. One hand just up like that. Bend it right in half. Take your two friends. Hug, hug. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Thanks for joining us, friends. Hope to see you again soon.